Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Teachers Wisdom. So today our topic is self-discovery. Self-discovery is one of the life skill, and in my other videos I discussed other life skills like problem solving skills and decision making skills. So if you are interested, you can subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, you can like and comment on my video. Self discovery means when you learn about yourself in a way no one else can ever teach you. So self discovery means when you are able to understand yourself, you got awareness about yourself, about your skills, about your potentials, about your capabilities. So the practice of self awareness, self discovery is one of the greatest skill in life because it enables you to learn about yourself in a way no one else can even teach you. It shows you how to design your lifestyle on your own terms. Awareness means what we notice in life. It is about paying attention. It is details you pick up from your perceptions of the world. It is the consciousness actively gathering and processing information from your environment. So, it is a way in which we experience our life. Concept of self-discovery. Awareness is noticing the world, whereas self-awareness is focusing your awareness on yourself. So, it is the ability to notice your own physical sensation, reaction, habits, behavior, thoughts, intuitions, needs, and desire. So, all these points are focusing on the self awareness. So, we must be honest with ourselves. We all have a self image of ourselves. So, we might view ourselves as punctual person, or we can be focused on the reality of our own behavior. Self awareness is about focusing upon the reality of our behavior and not telling ourselves a story about ourselves. So sometimes people feel dissatisfied or unhappy but have no idea why, because they cannot locate any immediate reason for it. They begin to feel distracted or feel tingling in chest or stomach. Investigating the source of these unexplained feelings is a practice of self-awareness. Reason to develop self-awareness. First, having self-awareness creates the opportunity to make changes in behavior and beliefs. The more you know about your own habit, the easier it is to improve those habits, changing the interpretation, and it becomes easier to change the emotions. Self-awareness is one of the attributes of emotional intelligence and an important factor in achieving success. So, it is important that self-awareness basically includes recognition of self, of our character, our strength and our weaknesses, and our desires and our likes and our dislikes. So it is very important to deal with such difficult skills. Steps in Development of Self-Awareness by Stephen Worley. The first step is to practice self-awareness, gain in greater awareness of your emotion. So we are mostly taught to make decisions based on our rational thought and to shut our feeling out of our decision making process. So this is the reason why we often make decisions based on living up to someone else's ideals. Second, to practice self-awareness, make a habit of tracking your feeling. Start writing down your most positive and most negative feeling. Keep a journal or note on your phone. Try this for at at least 30 to 40 days, begin to notice pattern and trends. So this will reveal your purpose of your values, your motivation, and anything holding you back from the work. So start tracking your feelings. Third, to practice self-awareness, expand your practice to area of your life beyond your feeling. So there may be several areas of your life that you can monitor, but you should focus on your areas you believe will have the greatest impact on designing your ideal lifestyle. So now barriers. There can be many barriers in self-discovery. First can be fear of finding too many failures, lack of self-love, you're not satisfied with your creativity and not able to satisfy or achieve your dreams, too much noise, you are not getting healthy environment, so you're not able to achieve your goals. So next barrier can be self neglecting. You are avoiding yourself, you are avoiding your goals, and you are not interested in achieving your goals. And last barrier is compromising behavior. You are ready to adjust in every situation. So you are compromising with your success, you are compromising with your achievements. So stop compromising with everything. So in nutshell, we can say that self discovery is not an one day or a 1 week affair. In fact, it can take a lifetime to build a relationship with yourself. So try to self actualize or self realize yourself. So thank you so much for listening my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel and you can like or dislike my video. Thank you.